friends, Kendra here with our banana soaps. End piece, here's 2 full bars. And I thought I did a lather test about a week ago, but I can't find it. So we're doing another one as requested. Okay, let's look at these soaps for a minute. Something I'm not terribly happy with. See my speckles? I think my speckles look fuzzy. It's almost, I don't know, it's kind of weird. I mean, they're still there, but it almost looks like they are dissolving. Maybe they are, I don't know. But we're gonna cut one open in a minute. First, let's go ahead and hop to the lather test. See, this bar even looks like I've used it before. I know I did a lather test on these. And no, this is not a fuzzy camera. This is my speckles look like they're dissolving. They look fuzzy. I don't know, it's kind of weird. All right, let's lather up here though. So when you're adding bananas, oh look, I already got, did you see those big bubbles? Can you see those big bubbles? It's almost like, you know, like I want to get a bubble wand. It had a really big bubble. Okay, as I was saying, the reason why you might want to add fruits, purees to your soaps is because of the lather and the increased bubbles you get with the lather. So what would make this an even better lather test is if I had for you the same recipe without any bananas in it. Right now, I don't. You'll notice that I'm not getting a ton of super bubbly, crazy bubbly lather with this. And that's because of the recipe I used is my coconut oil free recipe. So just think about this. This lather, this creamy, dreamy lather that we're getting, there's no coconut oil in here. Look, it's like this lovely lotiony lather. Oh, it's fantastic. So this lather that does not have any coconut oil in it, and it's a fairly young bar for something that has a high olive oil content to it, and it's not slimy, it's lathery, it's bubbly. It is a wonderful wash. It's very silky, and yet we got the bubbles. The bubbles that we did get are from those bananas, from all the sugar, protein in those lovely bananas. Okay, let me rinse my hands off here and let's chop it open and see if it's still fuzzy. Fuzzy wuzzy was a banana on the inside. Huh, does not look any more crystal clear on the inside. The difference in the color here, this is just from oxidation. If you remember when we made these, they were all this color. And if we just wait a moment here, we should start to see some bubbles, some speckles, some speckles starting to appear as this fresh cut bit is exposed to the air. There you go. See them starting to darken up in there? All right, so there's the lather test from our banana soap. Super wonderful, silky, creamy lather, now with some bubbles from those bananas. I hope you enjoyed washing with me, and I'll see you on the next Wet Soap Wednesday over in the Facebook group. Until then, happy soaping.